Hello everyone, today let us know about the Ethiopian real. So the geographical boundary you can see in this image. So it includes African Sahara Desert, southern part of Arabia, Madagascar Island. So this region shows extensive desert on the north side. It is called as the Sahara Desert, and on western side thick forests are present, and rest of the Africa that shows Greenland. So this is about the geographical boundary of Ethiopian realm. So in this region it is divided into four subregions: East African subregion, West African subregion, South African subregion, and Malagasy subregion. So first of all, East African subregion. So this region includes the tropical Africa and tropical Arabia. Because of high temperature desert conditions which are available in this place, and Sahara Desert is also included in this region, and the presence of some desert animals like giraffe, zebra, camel, ostrich, etc. are common. Then second is West African subregion. So this region shows thick forest, and river Congo also included in this region. This region shows a heavy rainfall because of its rich flora, which also supports the good fauna. So here presence of some of the animals like gorilla, gibbon, great apes, and some of the birds, and presence of panther, lion are present in this place. Then third one is the South African subregion. The southern part of the African continents is included in this region, and here presence of some peculiar fauna, that is African moles, rats, and some secretary birds, and South African lungfish. So these are the fauna which is located in this region. And the last one is Malagasy subregion. So it includes Madagascar and nearby islands region. So the Madagascar region, that is separated from the Ethiopian region, and it has no connection with the mainland and mainland. So African continent evolution is continued. So many Eutherians has invaded in that place, but in the Madagascar there is no fresh evolutions, only old animals are represented. Hence this sub-regions shows dissimilarity in fauna when compared to the mainland. So this is about the sub-regions of the Ethiopian realm. Then here climatic condition is mainly temperate in most of the areas, but remains hot during most time of the year. And here ecological condition, the area on the equinoctial line and West Africa that possesses rainforest along the sides of the large rivers. So most of the other parts are dry deciduous forest. Northern and southern part of the regions are transformed into desert. So this is about the ecological conditions. And here presence of fauna. So fishes, that is Protopterus, African freshwater lungfish, and sharks, tuna fishes, catfishes, cyprinids, electric fishes are present. And as in the case of amphibians, so here presence of Rhacophorus, Hyla, Microhyla, etc. amphibians were present here. And reptiles, in this crocodile, testudo, Trionyx, chameleon, flying lizard, rattlesnake, cobra, viper, pythons, etc. are can be seen in this place. And here presence of birds, that is two-toed ostrich, hornbill, heron, pigeons, parrot, cuckoos, finches, hammer-headed birds, etc. can be seen in this region. And mammals, So in the case of mammals, hyena, gorilla, chimpanzee, elephant, Panthera tigris, Panthera leo, camelus, deer, Equus asinus, that is nothing but a donkey, so will be present here. So Ethiopian region mammals will be shows resembles with the mammalian fauna of oriental region. So it is because they have land connection previously, so that presence of some resemblance in the mammalian fauna, as in the case of Ethiopian and oriental realms. So here you can see some of the images of fauna which is located in this region. So this is about the Ethiopian realms. Thank you.